Good morning all of you. Class LKG, subject English. Dear students, from today we will start sound of vowel I. LID lid, PIN pin, KING king, LIP lip, ZIP zip. Okay, look here. DID did, BIG big, PIN pin, WIN win, DIP dip, SIP sip, KIT kit, SIT sit, ZIP zip, LIP lip, KID kid and NIB nib. ओके बच्चों, थैंक यू बच्चों.